evening, and thank you for joining me. My name is Delaney Johnson. I'm an artist, small business owner, and student. Tonight, I'll be telling you of my hopes, my dreams, along with how I'll achieve them. These dreams have been shaped by my past, my present, and my future. To start, I grew up in Oldsmar, Florida, near Tampa, with my mom, my dad, my brother, and my dog. Soon we moved to Palm Harbor in 2014 and I started working at CVS. Soon I was promoted to a manager where I began working very closely with the pharmacy, and I took an interest in becoming a pharmacist myself. So I switched my career from marketing to pharmacy. So I currently do study pharmacy quite a bit. um, And that brings me to my next topic of how I fund my pharmacy venture. Now that I don't work at CVS anymore, sadly, I left to focus on school because it was difficult balancing a 40 to 50 hour a week job with my full-time school life. So I'll show you a few things that I make for my small business. I use a lot of resin. I make like trays and things. I just sold a bunch of them, so I don't have a lot of interesting things, but I'm working on a lot of new things. I make coasters and different styles of jewelry, a lot of similar things. And if you were wondering how resin art is made, there's two parts, an A and a B. You have to mix equal parts. I'm not going to be mixing it for you. I'll show you the process. So after pouring resin, putting all the things you want in it, putting it in a mold, if there's any air bubbles, which tend to occur a lot as it takes about 48 hours to fully cure. You can just run a torch over it, making sure you wear safety goggles, because the fumes from resin can actually be super harmful for your vision and your eyes in the long term. Not good. Well, anyway, now once I attain my pharmacy degree, I do plan on becoming a retail pharmacist. I would really enjoy that because I enjoy working closely with customers, and after that I'd be able to support a family, which I'm really excited about. Not necessarily kids. I know I'd really like some dogs. And now that you know my past, present, and future, thank you for joining me on my journey to becoming a pharmacist.